Thank you, Roger.
Of course, man.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Cool, man.
Listen.
Thanks, bro.
Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm J Metro. You know me. Convict music, nappy boy. Ooh wee. I know the club closes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling in me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get going, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink, and then I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think about that? Got you in the gray Cadillac in the bed like oh, 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 we in the bed like. Talk to me, I talk back. Let's talk money, I talk fast. Crunk juice bombs, Oakley shades. Convict music, nappy boy, behave. Let's get going and walk it out. Just like that, that's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun, you gon' see. On that Patron, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink, and then I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think about that? Got you in the gray Cadillac in the bed. We in the bed oh. Let's get going, walk it out. Now think about it. Now rock, you can do it all by yourself. Let's get going, walk it out. Now think about it. Snap now, rock, you can do it all by yourself. I'ma buy you a drink, and then I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think about that? Got you in the gray Cadillac in the bed light. Yeah, ring in the bed light. Right, said imagine as I'm pacing the pews of a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear the exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says the bridesmaid to the waiter. But what a shame the poor groom's bride is a whore. I chimed in with the haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things than to support irrationality. I chimed in, haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of, but alright, I'll just look at it this way. I mean, technically our marriage is safe, but this calls for a so pour the champagne. Oh, well in fact, I'll just look at it this way. I mean, technically our marriage is safe, well this calls for a toast. Pour the champagne, pour the champagne. Closing the goddamn door. No, it's much better to face these kinds of things than just a poison rationality. I chimed in, haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. Nationality.